Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to show you how to make sodium acetate. That is a very useful chemical. This is a bottle of vinegar, and it can and vinegar is mostly made up of acetic acid. So take this acetic acid. We are going to pour this acetic acid in this container. This is sodium hydroxide, some of it. We have dropped this sodium hydroxide in this, and they will react to form sodium acetate. You see, this container is a little bit hot, not that hot, just a little.
Was je uiteen?
So this is gradually reacting. We think that now it is sodium acetate solution, and our target was to make sodium acetate. So we have made it, but it is dissolved in water. So if you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. And if your friends are passionate about it, please share it with them. And if you have any questions, please comment below in the comment section. And it's goodbye for now.